Did it come loose? No. Oh, there went the display. I played with the idea to actually replace this with an OLED display. As per usual, I've laid out all the components, and let's have a look what we're going to build today. And we're going to add this and these two pieces here. This looks pretty straightforward. Let's have a look at these. They kind of look identical, but they are numbered differently. A and B. Is there a difference? And it's very hard to see, but yes, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but the top one, this circumference is slightly smaller than this one. Now, why they would do this is beyond me, because they kind of look identical. So why key them in that way? I don't know. Maybe they're not fully identical. No, they're not. See, one is slightly taller. Ah, okay. Now it makes sense. So yes, otherwise there was no need to make these parts different. They're slightly taller. Now I just gotta figure out which one is A and which one is B. And I think the B is the larger one. So I'm gonna put them in this order. I want to pay attention to this. All right, let's begin. This looks pretty straightforward. Let's add these two parts. And there's no hole in the bottom, so we don't have to screw anything. And let's connect this bit here. So this is press fit. All right, let's get a base station and see where this part goes. Seems to be the same on both sides, so it should go here. Let's line it up. Easily said and done. Let's see. Alrighty, they are keyed as well. Yeah. Have a look. The top notches are further apart than the bottom ones. Jeez. They really went to town. This design. Here you go. I'm not sure why it matters, but alright. And now we're going to put in the springs and start with number A. Okay. And I don't know if it's clearly visible, but you got these 4 holes, and I assume those are the one for A, because this hole is slightly smaller than this one, although you can barely notice the difference. So let's try to fit that in. Start with the smallest hole in the back, and then align it like so. And I think you need to screw these in with HP and GP. Jeez. Okay. I'll make it easy and use the same screws, right? Okay. Let's do that. Oh, that works better. And this really is annoying. This is the first time ever that there is no spare screw in here. Okay, that's new. Let's just put both of them in for now. So we only have to screw it once. You may want to open the spring up a bit. Careful, it is not really flexible. You can snap it if you pull it too much. No. There you go. So the inner screws should be the HPs. So let's start with those. The HPs. Okay, let's do that. I'll just lightly screw them in. Then the GP go in the back. Again, I just put them in halfway before I tighten them. Okay, now I can actually hold the springs to make sure they don't fall out. I can apply a bit more pressure. You don't want to push in the screw and then push the rod out on the other side. Okay. I can't see it, but I'm actually pushing back on the other side. This allows me to apply a little bit more force. There you go. Okay, swap over to the other coil. There you go. Put my finger on top and push down, thus allowing me to screw in on this side. Now this does not seem to work. Didn't feel the screw tighten at the end. We'll check it in a sec. Yeah, this is better. Did it come loose? No. Oh, there went the display. Alright, let's see what happened here. Okay. I played with the idea to actually replace this with an OLED display, but then again, you would never see it when the Dalek is finished. So, not sure yet, but for now I'll just leave it as is. And that's the end of episode 20.